If you are not using AI tools for improving your English speaking fluency, you are doing a very big mistake, my dear friends. To be very honest, I have seen a lot of students of mine, they have started using ChatGPT for finding their answers, for making their work so easy, so that they can be productive, they can be smart, they can update themselves and started using ChatGPT and other AI tools which are popular these days. But if you are not using this for your speaking fluency, then you are doing a very, very, very big mistake. I'll tell you right now in this video that how it is useful and how it is beneficial, because this time it's very hard to find an English speaking partner, because where you live there is no environment, there is lack of environment, there is no people, there is nobody who can stand with you and to practice your English speaking. But my dear friends, let me tell you that if you start using ChatGPT or other AI tools and make it your English speaking partner, this will help you to get great command there over your English speaking style. So without any further ado, let me show you how you can do all this. I have opened my ChatGPT account here, and I hope you all understand that how to use and how to open this ChatGPT. You simply need to tap on this live chat button and it will automatically start.
Of course, I'm right here ready to help. Just let me know what you'd like to do, whether it's a question, some advice, or just a casual chat, and we'll dive in.
No, actually I want to practice with you for my English speaking fluency. Can you please help me?
Absolutely. I'd love to help you with that. What kind of practice are you thinking about? Conversations on a particular topic, or maybe pronunciation, or even just some free flow talking? Let me know and we can get started.
Can you please help me to speak more fluently? Can you help me to speak more clearly?
Of course. One thing we can do is slow down a bit, and we can focus on linking your words together naturally. So try saying your sentences a bit more slowly and emphasize each word clearly. If you'd like, I can give you specific sentences to repeat or just give general tips as we go.
Yes, please give me sentences to repeat and guide me how to repeat those sentences.
Absolutely. Let's start with a simple one. Repeat after me. I enjoy meeting new people and having meaningful conversations. Now, as you say it, try to keep each word distinct and pause slightly between them so you can focus on clarity. Go ahead and give that a try.
I enjoy meeting new people and having meaningful conversations.
That was really good. You kept a nice steady pace. Now, if you want, we can try a slightly longer sentence. For example, repeat this. In the future, I hope to travel more and experience different cultures. Take your time with it and remember each word counts, so slow it down if you need to.
In the future, I hope to travel more and experience different cultures.
That was excellent. Your pacing was really clear there. If you'd like, we can keep practicing with different topics or longer conversations. Just let me know.
Give me such sentences, similar sentences, so that I can practice and you can check my pace and voice modulation accordingly.
Absolutely. Here's another one. I enjoy learning new skills because they help me grow both personally and professionally. After you say it, I'll give you feedback on your pace and tone. Go ahead.
I enjoy learning new skills because they help me grow both personally and professionally.
That was really well done. Your pace was steady and your voice modulation was nice and natural. You kept a clear emphasis on each phrase. If you'd like another sentence or a different focus, just let me know.
No, for now that is enough. I'm actually getting late. Can we please talk later?
Of course, no problem at all. I'm glad we could practice a bit and we can continue whenever you're ready. Have a great day.
Thank you. So right now, as you saw, that I was talking not with a person. I was not talking with any person sitting over in front of me. I was talking right there on my ChatGPT. So it is extremely a fun activity. Why? Because this helps you to talk naturally. This helps you to improve your own mistakes. This helps you to find new areas to discover and to speak. So this is of course a free of cost tool which you all must try. And this is how you can improve. And when you are talking to a phone, and this will not make you feel shy. आपको उसमें शर्माने और hesitation की बातें नहीं आएंगी आपके सामने, right? So this is extremely helpful for all of us. I hope you would have enjoyed this, and I wish you improve your English speaking fluency this year and you become a very good public speaker of English. This is all for now for today's video. If you liked it, share it with your friends and tell your friends to practice with the help of ChatGPT. And this is an extremely wonderful tool by which you can practice and become a very, very, very good public speaker. We'll see you in the next class now. Till then, bye-bye. Take care.